G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day. Now today we've got another cool product from GTPower. My friends over there sent me a few items to review, and this is one of them. Now what this is a lighting kit. It just consists of two very powerful headlights here. As you can see, it says high power headlight system, and it runs off 2S power, okay, off your receiver in your RC car. And it's suitable for RC cars, boats, or aircraft, as you can see here. And the vehicle that I'm going to put it in today is this PX Toys, or a Nosy 9204E. This is my brushless RC truck. This started off as a 550 brushed motor, and I've done a conversion on it last year. It's pretty quick, so I think this is going to be a pretty good candidate because it's got a nice big front bumper here, and I could put the lights in there for night driving. So yeah guys, if you want to pick one of these up yourself, I'll definitely put some links below, as I always do, in the description, and you can check it out yourself. I'll have a look around and see what the best prices are online on a couple of different websites, and yeah, feel free to click on the link and get yourself one of these. Alright guys, so let's have a look at what's inside the box, and then we'll install it on my RC car here. So as we open it up, we have the two decent sized spotlights here, or headlights. As you can see, they must be pretty powerful because they've got a heat sink added on the back of them each to keep them cool, so they must get pretty warm. We have the long lead here that connects the lights to this middle section, okay, which has the balance lead of the 2S coming out of it, and also it looks like they've got capacitor in there and a board. All right, and then this end here goes straight to your receiver under channel 3. So yeah, that's the actual kit itself, and you know, we've got a fair bit of cable there to put on even larger 1/8 scale vehicles or 1/10 scale. Should be no problem to installing one of those. So we've got a little bag here with some little clips here, fastening clips to basically tidy up the wiring. Looks like they got 3M padding on one side, double-sided sticky tape, and some zip ties, some small zip ties to keep everything neat and tidy. Last but not least, we just have this user manual here. Let's have a look at what it says in here. Okay, so it's one sheet. So it says high power LED headlight system from GTPower. Thank you for purchasing this lighting system. It incorporates two high power super bright LEDs and reflectors. They are efficient and only consume 0.5 of an amp. Alright. Lights can be turned on and off via your spare channel or channel 3 on your receiver. These lights are suitable for RC, aircraft, cars, or boats. There's some of the specifications of this size or measurements of this kit. So you can see the housing diameter is 22mm, housing depth of 21mm, the JST wire length. Alright, and it says here power is supplied via JST balance connector, 2S battery only guys, so you don't want to exceed that. Alright, that's why it's got purposely got a 2S balance lead connector here. So this will blow up on a 3S. Alright, so if you're going to run your car on a 3S, you're basically going to have an independent 2S just to power this. You can still have it in your receiver, alright, to control where you want to turn them on and off, but you're going to have a separate LiPo in your car if you want to run this on 3S. Alright, so that's basically it. Just tells you the voltage maximum. It's just got a diagram there. Alright, so anyway, enough of that. That's what we get with the kit. Let's go install it on the truck itself, and I'll come back once it's all done. See how bright they are. Okay guys, I'm basically done. I just thought I'll show you how to install it if you don't know how to install these lights. As you can see here, I've just got them in the front bumper bar, and what I've done is just bunched up and cable tied the wiring there coming from the lights neatly. Just housed them in there, okay? And you just want to bring the other wiring through. One is for your receiver wire and one is for your balance lead here. So put them through the actual shock tower. Okay, then it's just a matter of grabbing your receiver lead, grabbing your receiver just here. Okay, I've just got it there, and plugging it into the third channel, just like so. As you can see, it's in the third channel there. Okay, just tuck that in there. Gonna have to double side sticky tape it again. I had to actually take it out of there. So, and the other end is your 2S cable, and you just plug it into the balance lead there. All right, so let's do that. Okay guys, so all that's left to do is turn the truck on, turn my transmitter on. Okay, as you can see, they're off at the moment. Okay, so you just put the truck down here, just like that. Now on my transmitter here, see how I've got channel 3 in the middle? That's my auxiliary channel, and there we go. Turn the lights on. Look very bright, actually. Look at that. Jeez, this is going to be really good at night, guys. Driving it at night, that's for sure. And if I want to turn them off, just do the same thing. Turn them off. There you have it. They're turned off now. So really good lights from GTPower. I think these are going to be awesome for night driving, that's for sure. Even during the day, if you're going on long range driving, you know, maybe you're driving FPV, maybe you have these turned off, you know, as you're heading out as far as you want to go. And then if you lose a little bit of orientation, just put them on. You probably see these pretty clearly during the day in the distance as well. So yeah, great product from GTPower, that's for sure. And as you can see, it just simply connects to your 2S battery, the balance lead on your 2S battery, and straight into your receiver. Now, like I said before, if you want to run your trucks on 3S, obviously you're not going to be able to plug it into the 3S balance lead anyway. You're just going to have to add another battery on your truck somewhere just to power these lights. But yeah, take a look at what it looks like with the shell on. Pretty cool, I think. There we go. It's even better with the shell on, of course. So there it is, guys. That is the GTPower, the high-powered headlight system. And yeah, if you want to pick up one of these, like I said before, I'll leave a link in the description below, and you can get one of these sets for yourself. And like it says there, you can have it on your aircraft, boats as well. Really good bright headlights here. So yeah guys, definitely have a look at these if you're after some very bright LED lights. These are the brightest ones I've ever seen on any of my RC light kits. So yeah, it's going to be pretty fun driving it at night. Yeah, I'd like to say big thanks from GTPower for sending this one through for review. And yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this quick review on the headlight system here. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I'll catch you on the next video. Until then, enjoy the hobby and happy RCing. Bye for now.